Hey Joe,
Hold on.
if you could talk to the rods right now, what would you tell them?
I'm so sorry.
Hey Joe,
Hold on.
what are we doing today?
Doing really stupid stuff.
What kind of disclaimer do you want to make here?
If it blows up, it's not my fault. Because we're doing stupid stuff.
All right.
Stuff that I do not recommend doing for anyone, even us. But they want to send it, so we'll send it.
Full send. How
I've been
much?
told it's okay if it blows up because of what.
You should clarify, not blowing up because of tuning or anything, just because of raw horsepower.
Exactly. So this, on the setup that it's on right now, it should see about 25 to 26 pounds.
Oh my God.
More to it after this.
Pump E85?
Pump E85, Justin went and filled up over at the Daytona racetrack not too long ago here. So.
Nice. I like to party.
How would you like to party?
Yep. What is going on, guys? So we're back over at VMP for some fun dyno things. Now this is what you guys want to see with my GT500, right Justin?
Hey everybody.
This is what we're gonna do with my GT500, right?
Oh, no, Andrew.
So
do not try this at home.
So I already showed Joe talking about what we're doing a little bit today, but what are we doing here, Justin?
We're gonna try to break the Coyote stock variable horsepower record, stock block, SBE, stock bottom end, horsepower record with a VMP Gen 3R, or the Coyote and Track Tactics might die trying.
Yeah, and this is definitely a do not try at home, kids.
Yeah. Where's that fire extinguisher?
We definitely need one. There is a good possibility that it could last. It's gonna be making a lot of power for a stock motor. It's got oil pump gear and crank gear, that's it. So, and it's got a lot of boost and pump E85. So, it's gonna be fun. You ready?
I know that I'm ready. I don't know if Track Attack's ready.
Right. Now, let me see your spark table and let me just
scroll around in there.
Yeah.
I can give you the short answer. It's about 18 degrees on this pole.
Oh, why not 25? Wait, don't Coyotes take 31?
I think 33 would be optimal.
How much boost are we at?
It should be about 25 to 26 pounds.
Woo! Woo!
Like in a perfect world, this would be on one of our 10 rib setups and have a crank support on it, but this is kind of like
Oh, hold on, I gotta cut you off. Justin!
What do you got there, little fella?
He's got the supplies.
Yep, got the supplies.
Hopefully the supplies that we don't need.
Stock motor kit. You know how I had my injectors the other day? You know, kind of like my support kit, injectors and boosting? Yeah, we already got everything on the car. We just got our support kit right over there. The fire extinguisher. Alright, this is gonna be first pole. Should be interesting, for sure. It's not gonna be full craziness. They wanna make sure everything's good and then they're gonna send it. Consider my eardrums tickled. So what was it?
That one was It's 992, 756.
Casual.
Casual 992.
Yeah, that was just warming up, right?
Yep.
Very nice curve. Joe, you have nice curves.
Oh yeah, BB.
This thing's gonna pick up like crazy with timing too.
So how much timing was that?
So, just so the peanut gallery you can see. Now keep in mind, fuel trims, still going to play with this new air filter, so fuel trims are 15%, 10%. So I'll play with that, but that was 14.5 degrees.
Ooh, super soft.
14 and a half.
Yeah. Yeah, 14.5 degrees, 992.
There's probably 150 wheel in
Between boost and timing?
Yeah, well, even just the timing. Because when you're running this little timing, you can see you can see it in the graph. This curve should be going up at a more aggressive rate.
Yeah.
Just a soft 990 what?
997.
997, just a soft.
992.
On 14.5 degrees of timing.
Were we spinning the tires that first time?
Yeah, that's why I had to go second, third, kind of like roasting them on the dyno.
Yeah.
Joe, I've never actually used that burnout on the dyno technique before.
I have to use it on Grant's car.
Oh, okay.
Some of our higher horsepower 5 liters, like Dave's car, I have to do it on the Dave's car. So yeah, you get on these street tire setups on like 900 plus, and you gotta like hook the tire in like second, and then you're good for a 50 or 50 pull.
Well, and these are 2-year-old drag radials. Like Alex Flores that used to work with us actually drag raced the car on these drag radials, and they're now gone.
And it's gone.
And it's also 97 degrees out.
Yeah, here you go.
As you can see from the forehead sweat.
Yeah, and then
real sweat.
98.
30 on pressure and 42% humidity, which I don't believe. I think it's more humid than that.
Yeah. Less than ideal horsepower making conditions. All right, Justin, so I was gone for a little bit. What did I miss?
Well, I put a shorter belt on. I put one of the new VMP Grip Tech pulleys on. One of those for your car, don't you, Andrew?
Yeah, the 2.4 I was looking for.
Yeah. Well, we'll see. We'll see about that for you. But the car picked up like 4.5 pounds of boost over the 2.7, and there was the infamous Coke can incident.
Yeah, you guys thought it blew up.
Yeah, there was a Diet Coke that I had been drinking, and I sat it on the side of the dyno, and at 6,500 RPM, it shot off the side, and Joe thought it was a piece of piston, so he lifted. And at 6,500 RPM, we made 1099 rear wheel horsepower.
You guys never want to make those whole 100 numbers. Like, mine had to make 797.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, 1099, I mean, you know, we're old, it's late, it's like 4 o'clock here, we're just gonna go home, go to sleep, and, you know, revel in our 1099 horsepower. So, see you next time, Andrew. Bye-bye.
No. And what are you, icing down? And
No, yeah. So Joe's making some tune tweaks. We're gonna do a full pass. We're thinking about. Joe's joking about sending it like Gavin, maybe going 885. I don't think he'll really do it, but he's the driver. He's
88
right now.
Maybe 9. 9,000.
It's 78. This is stock rods and pistons. Yes, it has oil pump gears, but if your oil pump gears are the only thing left in your engine, you don't win still.
All right, we'll see what it does.
Yeah, so we're gonna get some ice in here, and then we're gonna make a full pull, like try to get the full 75 or so, maybe 8 out of it.
Yeah, and it's hotter now. It's even hotter than it was earlier.
See what we can make.
All right. And here is the magic. Get her nice and cold. They make lots of horsepower.
I mean, we don't really know if this helps, but it certainly is not gonna hurt on a 99-degree day.
Fire extinguisher there and there. Hey Joe,
Hold on.
if you could talk to the rods right now, what would you tell them?
I'm so sorry. Please cooperate.
Little pep talk.
Yeah. Guys, you got this. We did a little motivational poster on the side of the block they can look at.
This may be good or it may be very bad. We shall see. It's still alive, so that's good. Well, it's still alive.
Yeah, it lived.
You got banana rods?
So what are the guesses so far?
I don't know.
1150.
So
you did
close.
Woo!
1141, 861.
Woo!
And that was 29.88 pound boost.
1141.
Wow.
All right, what do you think it was?
Oh, 1130.
Very close. 1141.
1141.
Yeah.
You can tell by how much horsepower nobody's doing it.
It tickles your eardrums.
It was funny, you told me how loud it was, and I didn't exactly know. And then I looked like to the right of me and the left of me, and everybody's sitting there like this, and I'm like,
Here's the scar on the moon.
All right, Joe. Motor still in the car. The internals still in the car.
No coolant on the ground. No oil on the ground.
No spike.
No spike.
Oh, hold on. If we could even focus.
head over here.
Oh, there it is. There it is. No spike. I'll have a dyno graph right here on screen anyways.
Crazy.
Stock motor, oil pump gear, crank gear.
Yep.
Nothing else done to it.
Stock head bolts, stock head gasket, stock head, stock block, stock sleeve, stock piston, stock rod, stock crank, stock ring gap, stock cams. This is a completely stock long block aside from oil pump gear crankshaft.
Yeah, the heads have never been off this thing. The head bolts have never been even retorqued or messed with at all.
And you didn't know what was going to happen today.
No, like I was fully, like we have 2 fire extinguishers.
I have shown them multiple times.
We have cameras under the car to catch when the oil comes out of it and the coolant. Like the running joke prior to this, I was sending Justin like explosion gifs of like nuclear warheads going off, saying like this is what's gonna happen when we do this.
I was prepping the Gen 3R blower last night, and I wondered what those meant, Joe. I was kind of mixed.
I was like, it's gonna blow up.
Tell them how much boost it made.
30.19 pounds of boost
On stock head bolts.
on stock head bolts.
And this motor
And this
had
is
Who said superchargers can't make a lot of boost?
exactly, especially small superchargers.
Yeah.
This is a small blower, arguably small blower, with an 8-rib pulley setup, one of our older 8-rib setups. Not getting any belt slip, as you can see by the graph,
Yeah.
and an off-the-shelf belt. We didn't do anything crazy, we didn't spray it with those stupid stuff to try and get it to stick.
Nothing. There's no nitrous.
No nitrous.
It's pretty clear from the graph, but also there's literally no nitrous at all in this car.
Yeah, and then there's MT82.
Oh yeah, it's
Stock
MT82 holding togetter too.
Yeah, that's a
It's got a
miracle.
Mantic clutch.
It's got a Mantic twin disc clutch. There's a
discs. Twin.
Twin.
331 rear gear. Our boys over at HB Tuners released the speed limiter patch like months ago. I haven't used it yet. I used it and it works.
You got to go 190 miles an hour
Nice.
on the dyno.
Yeah,
Well.
In real life. We don't do that.
exactly. And then it's got some borrowed ICE 1700s from Rebecca's car.
Rebecca's car, yeah.
It's got our new VMP fuel system in the car, which, for inquiring minds, base pressure set at 70, no vacuum boost reference, and it is maintaining 69 psi at 8,000 RPM at 1141 wheel, which is about 1340 something crank.
That's pretty nutty.
Yeah.
It's pretty nutty that this motor. Can you start it?
Yeah.
Does it start up still?
I should start up still.
As long
Just
as the
kidding.
battery's not dead.
Sounds good. Purring like a kitten. Ready to go to Starbucks, Justin?
Yeah, we'll go. Well, maybe tomorrow morning we'll go.
All right, that's sick, man.
Yeah.
All right.
We'll do the thing.
Go do it.
What is that?
It's all the parts It's all a Track Attack's parts. Just kidding.
Well, that's another good day at the office, right?
Exactly. Now I just need to like wring my panties out.
And it's hot. It made all that horsepower and it's hot.
Well, last time I checked the atmospheric probe, it was 99 degrees Fahrenheit. So this isn't even like some 50.
Let me see the back sweat.
The back
Whew.
harder than the black
It's
shirt.
hard on the black shirt, but I think I can kind of make it out.
Should I pull the shirt off and just...
Wring it out. All right, guys, so that about wraps it up. This thing made a lot of power today. Make sure you slap the like button right now, do it, and helps get this video around to more people. And hit the subscribe button if you are new. If you haven't seen VMP's video, go check it out. There's a link right up there. And yeah, this is just a little preview of some things that we kind of have planned for the GT500 with a built motor, of course. But yeah, lots of power, super awesome, a lot of boost on a stock motor, but pretty damn impressive. So we'll see you guys in the next one.